70% of customer service interactions can be handled by AI bots, reducing costs by 30%. IBM 2023. Tidio offers a free plan and an AI add-on starting at $39 per month for 50 AI conversations, or $32.50 per month if billed annually as of mid-2026, making it ideal for small businesses needing quick deployment. A bakery in Ohio uses Tidio to answer 40 common questions daily, freeing up staff. Set up a free account in under 10 minutes. Next, Intercom excels in proactive chat and personalized user journeys. Their Fin AI agent uses your Help Center content to resolve 50–70% of inquiries instantly. Configure Fin to automate support for specific customer segments. Drift, priced from $2,500 a month, is for B2B businesses focused on sales and lead qualification. Its AI chatbots engage website visitors, qualify leads based on specific criteria, and book meetings directly. Use Drift to automate your sales funnel entry point. Meanwhile, Zendesk Suite offers a comprehensive support system with integrated AI. Its AI agents handle complex queries and route tickets efficiently across multiple channels. Implement Zendesk AI to reduce agent workload by up to 47%. Zendesk Report 2023. Finally, Chatbot.com is a dedicated AI chatbot builder. It focuses on visual flow design, allowing you to create complex conversational paths without coding. A small e-commerce store uses it to process 1,500 returns weekly. Design your first chatbot flow today. You now understand 5 leading AI customer service bot options. Explore our next video on integrating AI with your existing CRM.